Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories channel. This is the place where we make English simple, practical, and fun for your daily life. I am your host, Leo.
And hello, everyone. I am Anna. I am so happy to be here with you today.
Anna, you look very energetic today. Did you have a good morning?
Oh, yes, Leo. I woke up early, I had a big breakfast, and I am ready to learn. How about you?
I am doing great, thanks. You know, a good morning starts with a good plan.
That is true.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask our amazing listeners. If you want to improve your English every week, please click the subscribe button. It is a small click for you, but a big help for us.
And give us a like if you are ready to learn 60 useful sentences today. Let's go.
So Anna, why are we talking about daily routines today?
Because, Leo, we do the same things every day. We wake up, we eat, we work, we sleep.
Exactly. Our lives are made of routines. But can you describe your whole day in English?
I can say I wake up, but maybe I need more words.
That is why today's topic is 60 daily routine English sentences. We will cover everything from the moment you open your eyes until you close them at night.
Wow, 60 sentences? That sounds like a lot.
Don't worry, we will break it down into morning, afternoon, and evening. It will be easy and fun. Okay, Anna, the alarm rings. What is the very first thing you do?
I turn off the alarm, and then I hit snooze.
Snooze? What is that?
It's a button on the alarm clock. You press it, and you sleep for 10 more minutes. I love the snooze button.
Many people do. So, sentence 1, I turn off my alarm. Sentence 2, I hit the snooze button.
And then I finally get out of bed.
Good. Notice we say get out of bed, not leave the bed. Next, you go to the bathroom.
Yes, I brush my teeth, I wash my face.
Simple and essential. Now, Anna, do you have a morning ritual?
A ritual? Is that different from a routine?
Yes. A routine is just the things you do. A ritual is something special you do to feel good, like drinking coffee slowly by the window.
Ah, I see. My ritual is drinking warm water with lemon. It makes me feel healthy.
That is a great ritual. So you can say, I have a morning ritual. After you get dressed and eat breakfast, you leave the house.
I leave the house at 8. I lock the door.
Very important. Now, you need to go to work. We call this the commute.
Commute. We learned this word before. It means the trip to work.
Correct. You can say, I commute by bus, or I drive to work.
What if I work from home?
Then you have the best commute. You can say, I work from home, or my commute is from my bed to my desk.
I like that.
At work, we want to be productive.
Productive. That means doing a lot of work, right? Not wasting time.
Yes, I had a productive morning. This is a great sentence to tell your boss. Now it is 5 p.m. Work is finished.
I finish work at 5. I pack my bag.
On the way home, do you go straight home or do you stop?
Sometimes I stop. I need to buy milk or go to the bank.
We call these small tasks errands.
Errands. E-R-R-A-N-D-S.
Yes, you can say, I need to run some errands.
I run errands after work. That is very useful.
And finally, I get home.
When I get home, I am tired. I want to relax.
Me too. I change my clothes immediately. I change into comfortable clothes.
Yes, sweatpants are the best. Then, I cook dinner, I wash the dishes.
After dinner, it's time to wind down.
Wind down, like a clock?
Yes, to wind down means to slowly relax before sleep. You stop working, you stop stressing.
Ah, I wind down by reading a book, or I wind down by watching TV.
Perfect. And the last sentence of the day?
I turn off the light, I fall asleep.
Wow, Anna, we covered a whole day, from morning to night.
It's a lot of sentences, but they are very logical. It follows the clock.
Exactly. Let's recap the 5 key vocabulary words for our listeners. Routine, the normal things you do every day. Ritual, a special habit that makes you feel good. Commute, the journey to work. Errands, small tasks like shopping or banking. Wind down, to relax before sleeping.
These words make my English sound much more natural.
Now, friends, we want to know about your routine. We have a question of the day.
Yes, we want to know, what is your favorite part of your daily routine?
Is it your morning coffee? Is it your lunch break? Or is it winding down at night?
For me, it's breakfast. I love eggs.
Please write your answer in the comments below. Use the sentence, "My favorite part is."
We read every comment. It's great practice for you.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are making great progress.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories.
Have a productive day and a relaxing evening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.